Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. In today's video, we will solve the exercise of our chapter number 1, that is what is science. So please students, come on page number 9 and our question number 1 is define science. The answer of question number 1 is on the same page. This is the definition of science. You will write the heading of science, knowledge about universal facts, truths and realities through observation and experimentation. Now question number 2, describe functions of an evaporating dish and test tube in the laboratory. Please come on page number 4. First you will give the heading of test tube and then write its complete definition along this diagram. Then you will write the heading of evaporating dish, this complete definition with this diagram. This is the complete answer of question number 2. Question number 3. How is a hypothesis different from a theory? Please note down the answer of question number 3 from this page. That hypothesis is an assumption made before any research has been completed for the sake of testing, while a theory, on the other hand, is a principle set to explain phenomena already supported by data. Now question number 4. What is the purpose of microscope? The answer is on the same page. Microscope, an instrument used to observe those objects that are too small to be seen with the naked eye. Question number 5. Why is it not advised to eat in the laboratories? Please come on page number 7. Start your answer from the second last point. Avoid eating in the laboratory as it is full of hazardous substances. Wash hands after finishing your work to get rid of any possible germs or detrimental substances. Now please come on questions in detail. Question number 1. Describe a scientific method of investigation with the help of a flow chart. Please come on page number 2. You will start your answer like this. First of all, give the heading of scientific method of investigation. Then you will write these 2 lines up to this word investigation. Then give the heading step number 1 asking a question. फर्स्ट लाइन से आप स्टार्ट करेंगे, यहाँ तक लिखेंगे, उसके बाद ये बीच वाली चीज़ें स्किप कर देंगे. देन यू विल राइट द एग्जाम्पल. For example, how does calcium deficiency in our body affect our health? That's it. Then you will write the heading of step number 2. Start from this line and end at this line. Skip this line and then write this line. The possible hypothesis for the question above is calcium deficiency weakens our bones. Then step number 3, testing a hypothesis. You will write only first 3 lines in this heading. Now come on page number 3, step number 4, analyzing result. You will write only last 2 lines. Then step number 5, drawing conclusions. You will write only first 3 lines. Skip these 2 lines and then if the results are not support the hypothesis, we need to change our procedure. That's it. Then you will write the heading of step number 6, communicating results. You will write only first 2 lines in this heading. And then you have to draw this flow chart on your white pages of your notebooks. And this is the complete answer of question number 2. Now question number 2, how does a microscope work? Please come on page number 6. On page number 6, you will give the heading of working of microscope and you will write this complete paragraph in this answer. And the last question, how has science improved our lives? Come towards page number 1. Okay, you will write the answer of this question in points. Point number 1, scientific knowledge helps us in understanding what is going on around us. Point number 2, it has a great influence on our lives. Point number 3, it leads to the development of new technologies. Point number 4, it has improved our standards of living over time. And point number 5, we are living a comfortable life due to scientific discoveries and inventions.